You are a wonderful God. Oh, my creator. Only you are.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Doyle back with another video. Today's video, I gotta give you 7 scalping rules that help me in my trading journey that I live by. Okay, I got 7 on my list right here, so hopefully this can help somebody. Some of this stuff may be subjective. Some of this you may not even apply, but this is stuff that I live by. Okay, number 1, it's okay to give your trade some breathing room. When you're scalping, you're trying to get the tightest stop loss because you want a good RR. But when you're scalping, every setup may not be a sniper entry. You know what I'm saying? So you got to give your trade some breathing room. Sometimes you may get stopped out because your stop loss is too tight, or you may hop in too early and you want to get, like, you know what I'm saying, a sniper entry, a tighter stop loss, and that can cost you to get an L. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. Sometimes it's okay to like widen that stop loss just a little bit, just so it can fluctuate and go in your favor. Okay. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2, do not trade news, period, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Don't trade news, bro. If you're a scalper, do not trade news. You may get lucky some days. Don't get me wrong. Or you may actually be trying to like figure out the fundamentals and trying to trade in the right direction of, you know what I'm saying, whatever the news is saying. But it just seemed unpredictable to me. That's just my opinion. Trading news is super unpredictable in my opinion. I stay away from it, especially when you're in a lower time frame, like the 5-minute, the 1-minute chart. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're scalpers. Like, this video is for scalpers. Like, if you're a swing trader, intraday, you don't need to be watching this video. But if you try to be in and out in an hour or so, like, please don't trade news. Let the news go by and then see what's going on. Just like the New York Stock Exchange open. If you trade the open, you're at risk. If you trade a little bit before it, you're at risk. Okay, so that's rule number 2. Rule number 3 is have a set time to trade. This is a very important rule because we are scalpers. We're going to see setups all the time. We're going to lower time frames, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 1-minute chart. You're going to see setups, bro. So it's just like you gotta limit that time on the charts because you're constantly going to see setups. That's just what it is. We're not on a 1 hour or 4 hour catching setups. We're on the 5-minute. I'm mainly on the 5-minute. I see setups all the time. Do I take all of them? No. You got to pick and choose which one you want. So that's why I have a set time that I come up to the market and trade. Okay, so that's rule number 3. Rule number 4 is please do not overtrade. This applies to rule number 3. If you overtrading, bro, there is no structure. You know what you're looking at. You know your strategy. But you're trading every single setup that you see throughout the day. That is not okay, bro. That's not okay. When you're a scalper, you're on a 1-minute chart, 5-minute, 15, you're going to constantly see setups, bro. So you got to limit that time in trades. Like, you have to. I'm not going to lie. Or your account is going to keep going down because, like, you can win some setups, but you're going to lose some. You can't win all your trades, bro. I don't win on my trades, so I try not to overtrade. You know what I'm saying? So that go hand in hand with having a set time, because like when you have a set time, it limits you from over trading. Okay, so that was rule number 4. Number 5, try not to trade pairs that move the same. Okay, so this is kind of contradicting because I mainly trade NAS 100 and I trade Euro USD and GBP USD. And GBP USD and Euro USD sometimes move the same, but then sometimes they don't. That's not good. The same thing for like GJ and GU. They move the same, but sometimes they don't. That could be dangerous. Okay, that could definitely be dangerous. Same thing for SPX 500 and NAS. They move the same, but sometimes they can move a little bit different. When you're looking at 2 pairs or 2 instruments that move the same, sometimes you expect them to move at the exact same time, and sometimes that don't happen. Sometimes GJ set up hit TP before GU, or sometimes GU set up hit TP and GJ would never hit TP. That can play with your mental a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So I try to stay away from pairs that move exactly the same. So if I trade GJ, then I'll just trade GJ. Or if I trade GU, then I'll just trade GU. I won't trade both. Try not to do that, bro. I'm not gonna lie. If you trade SPX 500, just trade that. Don't take both setups, because if you lose on that, then you lost twice, bro. Now that's 2 L's that you're down bad. I ain't gonna lie. So try not to stick with pairs that move exactly the same. Like it's gonna throw you off. Okay. Oh, this is another one. I don't think people talk about this one because I have backtested my strategy a lot. If it's taking too long for your TP to get hit, most likely you are about to lose. Let me say that again. When it takes way too long for your 1-to-1, because I usually go for 1-to-1, then I leave a runner. If it takes too long for my 1-to-1 to get hit, most likely I'm about to lose. Because I have backtested so many setups, it don't take that long for it to hit TP. So if it's taking too long, bro, I know for a fact this trade is actually not going in my favor. It's taking too long, the volume low, or it's late in the day, or I don't know, something is not right. Because usually when I enter the break of the candle, it takes a couple candles, then I'm in profit, TP about to get hit. But if it's taking way too long, I notice that I lose, so I try to stay away. I try to like leave trades that just take way too long. It shouldn't even be taking that long. And that's scalping rule number 6. The last one is do not look at too many pairs at one time. Okay. Like I said, we're in a 5-minute, 1-minute chart, 15-minute chart. How are you going to be able to pay attention if you're looking at 5-6 instruments at one time, bro? I try to limit to 3. Sometimes I try to add 4, but that even 4 be too much sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. So like I try to keep them really low. This video is just for scalpers, bro. It's just for scalpers. If you're on a higher time frame, of course you can look at multiple instruments. Of course you can. But if you're on a 5-minute, 1-minute chart, 15, you gotta narrow down those pairs that you're looking at, because you're gonna be all over the place. You wake up in the morning, your mind just waking up. Now you're looking at this, you're looking at that, looking at the DXY, 1 hour, 4 hour. Like, bro, you're all over the place. You're gonna miss the setup, and you're gonna be tight, bro. You're gonna be tight. So those are my 7 scalping rules that really helped me. I'm not gonna lie. Like, especially, let me go back to this. The main one that really helped me was which one really helped me? I want to say having a set time. Having a set time really helped me because it's basically like trading is like a 9 to 5 in a way, because if you come to the market, show up 3 hours out the day, take your money and go, you enjoy the rest of your day, you can handle other businesses that you're doing, you know what I'm saying, you can do other stuff that you're doing. That helped me be way more structured, like having a set time. Because some people they'll trade in the morning, then they be creeping on the market late at night. Like I used to do that shit too. Like I'll be like creeping and like trying to like see a setup or whatever, but I'm trading outside my trading plan. It's a habit, and then once you create that habit of like constantly breaking your rules, you're gonna show up to the market and you gonna break your rules on the wrong setup. Trust me, bro. So I hope y'all took down some notes or something on these 7 scalping rules, because this is what I live by. Like, no cap, bro. Like, I'm very disciplined, very patient, try to follow my rules by a T. I try my best. We human at the end of the day, so you're gonna break it sometimes, but you have to try your best to be disciplined and follow your rules, man, and be strict on yourself, bro. Don't hop in the trade because somebody else is telling you that, oh, you should hop in that. No, think for yourself, bro. That's all I got in this video, man. For my scalpers out there, bro, Q4 have been tough. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's been tough, bro. I think like the last week of, like I said, the last week of December, not trading at all. I'm not trading at all, bro, because like it's been some setups that's been making me so irritated, bro, because they look so good and ain't a fake outcome. But yeah, that's all I got. That's all I got. Peace and love. I'm out.